In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check saved numbers in Gmail. Understanding how to access your saved contacts in Gmail can be incredibly helpful, whether you want to organize your contact list, find a specific person's details, or update information. So, let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to google.com. Once there, make sure you're signed in to the Gmail account where you suspect your contacts are stored. If you're not already signed in, you can click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and enter your login credentials. Once signed in, you're ready for the next step. Now, in the same tab, look towards the top right corner of the page, right next to your profile picture. You should see a small grid icon, often referred to as the Google Apps button. Go ahead and click on that grid icon. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various Google services such as Google Drive, Google Photos, and so on. Scroll through this list until you see the Contacts app. Clicking on Contacts will open a new window or tab that takes you directly to your Google Contacts page. On this page, you'll see a list of all your saved contacts. This list includes phone numbers, emails, and any other details you've stored for each contact. Scrolling down will help you view all your contacts, or you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific person. Simply type in a name or keyword, and Google Contacts will filter your list to match your search query. Once you've located the contact you're interested in, clicking on their name will expand their profile. Here, you can review all saved information, update any outdated details, or even add new information such as phone numbers or emails. To edit the contact's information, look for the pencil icon, which signifies the edit option. Clicking this will allow you to make changes directly to that contact's profile. Be sure to save your changes when you're finished. If you need to delete a contact, you can do this from the same expanded profile page. You'll see an option to remove the contact, often represented by a trash can icon. Select this option if you no longer need the contact information saved in your Gmail. Remember, managing your contacts regularly can help keep your address book organized and up to date. With these steps, you can easily access and manage your saved phone numbers in Gmail at any time. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to videos. See you in the next one.